सो हेलो गाइस, आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे मिन्ना नो निहोंगो लेसन 16 की वोकैबलरी। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। नोरीमास। नोरीमास मीन्स टू राइड और टू गेट ऑन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देंशा नी नोरीमास मीन्स टू गेट ऑन अ ट्रेन। ओरीमास। ओरीमास means to get off. For example, densha o orimas means to get off of a train. Nori kaemas. Nori kaemas means to change. For example, densha ni nori kaemas means to change trains. Abimas. Abimas means to take. For example, shawa o abimas means to take shower. Iremas. Iremas meaning to put in or insert. Dashimas. Dashimas meaning to take out or withdraw. Hairimas. Hairimas meaning to enter. For example, daigaku ni hairimasu means to enter a university. Like supposedly you take admission in a university. Okay. Deimasu. Deimasu meaning graduate. For example, daigaku o deimasu meaning to graduate from university. Yamemas. Yamemas meaning to quit, retire, stop, give up. For example, kaisha o yamemas meaning to quit a company. Oshimas. Oshimas meaning to push or to press. Wakai. Wakai meaning young. Nagai. Nagai meaning long. Mijikai. Mijikai meaning short. Akarui. Akarui meaning bright, light or cheerful. Kurai. Kurai meaning dark. Sega takai. Sega takai meaning tall. Atama ga e. Atama ga e meaning clever or smart. Karada. Karada meaning body. Atama. Atama meaning head. Kami. Kami meaning hair. Kao. Kao meaning face. May. May meaning eye. Mimi. Mimi meaning ear. Kuchi. Kuchi meaning mouth. Ha. Ha meaning tooth. Onaka. Onaka meaning stomach. Ashi. Ashi meaning leg or foot. Hana. Hana meaning nose. Sabisu. Sabisu meaning service. Joggingu. Joggingu meaning jogging. Shawa. Shava meaning shower. Midori, Midori meaning green. Otera, Otera meaning Buddhist temple. Jinja, Jinja meaning Shinto shrine. Ryugakusei, Ryugakusei meaning foreign students. Ban, Ban meaning number. Doyate, Doyate meaning how or in what way. Dono, Dono meaning which. Ie mada mada desu. Ie mada mada desu. It means no, I still have a long way to go. Basically, this is a very famous expression. If you see, like if you used to watch anime, so basically, for example, if you have seen Naruto, so basically he always used to say like when he is all beat up, so he used to say "Ie mada mada des," means he will not give up and he has a still long way to go. Okay, this is a very famous dialogue. Next we have O Hikidashi Maska. O Hikidashi Maska means are you making a withdrawal? Mazu, Mazu meaning first of all. So basically this is a very important word from listening point of perspective, because many times in listening you will heard this word Mazu. So it means first of all, like for example there will be multiple tasks done by a person, so in the question it will ask what he or she will do first. So if you miss this word, so it will be wrong. So this is a very important word, so try to remember it properly. Okay, Mazu means first of all. Kashu Kado, Kashu Kado means cash dispensing card. Ansho Bango, Ansho Bango meaning pin. Sugini, Sugini meaning next or as a next step. Kingaku, Kingaku meaning amount of money. Kakunin, Kakunin meaning confirmation. Botan, Botan meaning button. JR means Japan Railway. Asia, Asia meaning Asia. Ban Don, Ban Don meaning Bandung. Basically it is a name of a place. Veracruzu, Veracruzu means Veracruz. It is also a name of a place. Furan Kin, Furan Kin means Frank Kin. Beto Namu, Beto Namu means Vietnam. Fe, Fe means Hue. So basically these are some places, name of the places. Okay, so this is it for today's lesson, guys. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe the channel if you like the content, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you once again.